Hi, Spy Ninjas. Something weird has happened that has never happened before. I'm kind of worried and a little freaked out right now. The safe house is clean. Look at this table. The only thing that's on it is the safe. If I go like this, nothing. It's almost clean enough to lick. Look at this. Nothing on the floor. Not even my hair. Guys, I'm actually really worried that someone has broken into our house because you guys remember this area? Chad was making a salad and he made a huge mess all over the stove and onto the floor. And I know Chad. He didn't clean this up. And look at the sink. No dirty dishes in it. Daniel and Regina, this is where they leave their dishes. Where are the Spy Ninjas? Who took them? Chad? Daniel? Regina? Where are you guys? What? Okay.
What happened?
Okay, what's going on here? Why is this house clean? Did you clean the house?
I wish I did.
Chad, did you clean the house?
Wasn't me.
Daniel?
Not I.
Hey!
What is he doing here?
Where do you keep your refills?
Oh, thanks, PZ9. I guess it was PZ9 who cleaned the house.
He stayed at the safe house?
Yeah, he's homeless. He doesn't have anywhere to live, so I invited him to stay here last night.
You did, Chad? You didn't tell any of us.
I did tell you. You were like...
I was sleeping? Did you guys know about this?
I told Regina, and Regina was like...
Daniel, what did you say?
Daniel said... That's what he said.
Oh,
Daniel snores.
I sleep like a baby.
Anyways, we did not agree to this.
I feel bad for him, man. The Project Circle kicked him out. They beat him up. He has nowhere to go. He has no friends.
Chad, wow, what an introduction. He invited me to sleep over and...
Slumber party!
Yeah, my schedule looked pretty open. I figured I'd just...
You know what, Chad? Yeah, you're kind of right, because PZ9 here, he helped me on my live performance. When I was up on the stage with Chad, you came with that little cajon.
Cajon!
Okay?
I call it an apple box.
I guess PZ9 is kind of maybe my brother, yeah, so I don't mind it either.
Maraming salamat!
You're Filipino too? Kamusta?
Como esta? I'm Spanish too.
Okay, chicken adobo, whatever. You guys, PZ9 seems like fine and everything, but having him stay at our house and sleeping over in the privacy of our home is a different thing. Do you guys all want him to stay here?
Maybe.
Look how he cleaned this place. That's so sweet.
I do like that the house is very neat and clean because that never happens before.
Point to me.
But I do need PZ9 to prove yourself to me. I have a woman's intuition, and the intuition right now it's saying that I don't trust you, so you gotta prove that. There's gonna be some challenges, all right? First exercise is about trust. I have 4 chairs here. Everybody, pick a chair and sit down.
I call the black one.
You guys are gonna have to lean back and figure out a way to support each other without the chairs.
Like, emotionally? It's okay.
I like the way Regina's sitting. It's a really hip, cool, sideways style. Daniel,
I'm doing the same.
You just copy Regina all the time. Do you see what's happening here? PZ9 can lay on my legs. I can lay on Daniel's legs.
Whoa. This is the first time that I've made contact with Chad's knees and it didn't hurt.
Because usually I'm like, boom, boom.
Then I go back too.
Hi. Leaning back.
Okay, now that you guys are all intertwined, I'm gonna be removing 1 chair at a time. Eventually, there's gonna be no chair.
How's that possible?
I don't know if it's gonna work.
I'm removing it.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Whoa, is it working?
I'm floating!
Oh my
Come on, Daniel. 1, 2, 3, last one. Whoa!
On the count of 3, we'll all sit on our butts.
1,
2,
3.
3. Teamwork!
Good job, PZ9.
You didn't screw it up, PZ9. You actually tried.
That's an easy challenge. Do I win?
Not yet, PZ9. It's not easy to just come into our lives like this. Especially when you have battled me many, many times. You betrayed all of us. You gotta prove yourself.
I got an idea, V. What about a trust fall? You weren't able to participate in the last challenge, and you hate me the most.
I don't hate you. I do not trust you.
Well, that's a perfect excuse for a trust fall challenge. Well, I don't think this needs an explainer. Everybody knows what a trust fall is, right?
Yes, do you know what a trust fall is?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you ready, PZ9?
Yeah, 1 second.
What the heck?
Stay away from her.
Are you okay, V?
Get out of here, man.
My head!
Come on, let's go.
Here,
My
we'll
cranium!
get you some peas.
Oh my god!
We can get you some ice.
Spy Ninja Huddle.
PZ9, stay over there.
Here you go, V. Some summer vegetables. Oh, that'll help your
Oh my
head.
gosh! Oh my gosh! I landed on the floor, you guys. I hit my head really hard.
Did PZ9 do that on purpose?
He said yeah, but then he was adjusting his mask, so I don't know what he was doing.
Did he plan just to say yeah to make me think that it's safe to fall, and then he just changes his mind?
Maybe he shouldn't sleep here tonight again.
Maybe he's trying to replace me in the Spy Ninja or something.
Yeah, I think he's trying to make you not exist anymore, V.
Yeah!
Wait, guys, let's just think about this. I think it was just miscommunication. I think we should give him another chance, and also, he is my brother, so.
Only because he's your brother.
Yes, only because he's your brother.
Give him one more chance.
Okay, he'll get one more chance.
He looks so sad.
V, I'm so sorry. I really wasn't ready. This mask has been falling off my face. I got you a shake.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully it makes you feel better. That's so embarrassing. A trust fall and I wasn't ready.
Okay, that's actually pretty nice of you. This peace offering.
Hopes to make you feel better.
We decided to give you one more chance, PZ9.
Whoa, because I thought I was totally gonna get kicked out. I mean, she fell so hard though. Like, I hope you got it on camera.
Hey.
Whoa.
I mean, you know, at least record it. It could go viral.
Let's move on to the next challenge. Okay, PZ9. This challenge is gonna see how you work well with Daniel here. It's the doubles challenge.
30 seconds on the clock, Regina.
Got it. Hold on.
She's still learning how to use that new phone.
Calculator.
Calculator.
You don't need that.
You gotta go to a clock.
Oh,
Timer.
Hey,
Wait,
what's
did you-
going on here? You need a tech expert? Let me show you. You might think you're better at hacking, which is false, but you're definitely not as better at technology.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, there you go.
30 seconds,
You
start.
push 30 seconds. Okay.
Now remember, no hands. Most in this bucket in 30 seconds wins.
Wait, no hands? Like, how are we supposed to pick it up?
Figure that out.
PZ9, I got an idea. Go like this.
Oh no! Oh goodness!
What? Oh my gosh, you guys.
No!
You missed!
You're about to kiss me!
Don't kiss me, PZ9.
Don't do it. Oh, you kissed. Next ball. And
Oh my gosh!
Yes! Oh, this is so weird.
Oh, just use the side of the face, because you might kiss me.
Oh, perfect.
that's
Oh,
Oh, this is way nicer.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I have to look at your ugly face the whole time. Oh my gosh. Is that what kissing feels like?
Ew! We did pretty good. What? We got like 2 balls, right?
No, you got 3.
That's a lot of balls.
I actually do feel a little bit closer to you.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Well done, PZ9. Well done.
Good stuff, Daniel.
V,
Chad?
we can beat that. We're a much better team than the two of them.
I don't know, Chad. Our height differences, though.
Oh, shoot. We can do it, V. We can do it.
Okay.
You ain't gonna beat us.
Oh, the 2 leopards.
Who's got the timer? Technology expert Daniel?
Check it out right here.
Let's see how fast you can do it.
No, tell me later.
I swear I didn't mean to do that.
They are the same. Oh my gosh, you guys.
This one.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay, I got it.
Call yourself an expert.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow, you got sharp nails. Ouch.
These two, I don't know, man.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! They're doing it!
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that teamwork.
Use your mouth, V.
Time is running out.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yes.
Hey, weren't these the tennis balls we used in that one challenge?
What challenge is that?
I'm laughing. What's happened over here?
No, V! Stop laughing. 4. That's 4. We win.
We don't even need 30 seconds.
PZ9, what happened? We didn't work very well together. Not as good as Chat. What's it? Chat? V.
Yeah, I mean, they probably kiss every night, so that's probably why they're so good at this challenge.
One day we're gonna be just as good.
PZ9, we're gonna be teammates in this round. All right, we got cups, we got index card, we gotta stack them, and then gonna unstack them.
Build them up and break them down.
That's right.
Pull up your calculator, Daniel.
Got it. Oh,
Yeah, your calculator.
got the timer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Paper and then a cup. Wow, that's easy.
PZ9, you're stacking it up.
This is the easy part, right?
You gotta make it good for your teammate.
If your tower sucks, if he's not gonna be able to do
I
it.
don't know,
Yeah.
that's decent.
That's a pretty crooked tower. That ain't gonna work.
Oh, okay.
Oh!
I didn't do anything. That was all you. Something like that. Yes!
She did it.
Cool.
Wow, you guys look like friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's paper and cups involved.
Timer.
56 seconds.
Oh, Daniel, we can beat that.
We can.
Let's show them
We
how
can.
it's done.
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
I think I'll be the stacker
Yeah.
because I can build it nice and straight. I noticed that PZ9's was like kind of crooked like this.
3, 2, 1.
Pressure is on.
That looks beautiful, Chad. Okay, here I go.
Fast and smooth and straight.
Boom. There we go.
Stop! 25 seconds!
Nice job! Yes!
When you put two Spy Ninjas together, you just can't beat them.
Well, they clearly just, learn from our turn.
Next challenge!
Spy Ninja Mystery Wheel Challenge! PZ9, if you get any of these questions wrong, you're gonna get a consequence.
Would you take a look yourself?
Oh my goodness, dog food? That's gross.
Yeah, I put that one on there, PZ9. Remember when you made me eat dog food in the exit ceremony?
That's pretty gross, but I'm also pretty hungry, so I don't mind.
Well, then get out the dog food now. Let's feed them.
Let's get it, get it.
Okay, all right, well, if I get it wrong.
Okay, PZ9, you have to match the fact to the Spy Ninjas. So the first fact, who in the group of Spy Ninjas has had surgery?
Well, I've defeated everybody here at Battle Royale, but maybe not to the point of having to go to the doctor for any extensive surgeries. I'm gonna say Chad has probably lived on this earth longer than everybody else, so he's probably had more life experiences, one of those being surgery?
So the older you get, the more surgeries you'll get? Is that what you're saying?
I don't know.
You are correct.
Oh.
I had kidney surgery right there. They took out my kidneys. And they ate them. They didn't eat them. I don't know what they did with them. They threw them in the garbage. I don't
Oh
know.
my gosh.
All right, which Spy Ninja here poops once a year?
Is that actually true?
I mean, not a year, maybe once a week.
Well, probably somebody that doesn't eat a lot. Well, it's gotta be V, right?
I have mentioned several times that I'm very irregular. So yeah, I'm the opposite of a Project Zorgo member. Project Zorgo's always pooping. I'm rarely pooping.
I feel like I poop more than I eat, so that's a weird balance.
Oh, yeah, there's something wrong there. Hey, Daniel's got a question.
Okay, you know what, PZ9, you're getting all these right, so I gotta do something a little different. You are so mean to us, so now is the time you stop it and you say something nice about each and every one of us.
The toughest challenge of the night. V, you're probably the only Spy Ninja to have ever finessed Project Zorgo as you did. You really put a wrench in Project Zorgo's plans this year, V.
What about Daniel?
I'd say you probably get the most crap and dirt and into the most problems out of all the other Spy Ninjas, but you're probably the one that comes out of it the most feeling better about himself.
Was that nice?
I can't tell.
This seems very difficult for you.
Yeah.
Why don't you just say, like, you're beautiful or something like that?
Yeah. So wait, we're accepting that as a compliment towards Daniel?
Man, it's just so much easier to roast Daniel than to say something nice.
He should really spin the wheel for that one.
You really should. Just spin it already. I want to see you eat some crazy hair.
What about everybody?
Oh,
Crazy hair! You don't have to eat it though.
Okay.
Oh, it's already crazy!
Okay, is that crazy enough?
Yeah, I've seen enough of your crazy hair. Let's put it back up.
I have a pimple I'm trying to hide anyways.
On top of your head?
Compliment us.
Yeah.
Regina, it was definitely when you built up enough of your...
why can't it just be one sentence?
You demonstrate a lot of courage.
Thanks.
What about me?
The extension of your kicks. It always catches me off guard, because it's like fighting a kung fu spider. So did I win?
No! Spin the wheel!
Spin the wheel!
Yeah.
Mystery pie!
So basically, each spy ninja gets to put an ingredient in a pie, and then we put it on his face. Pie, easy pie! Mine.
Yeah, I think that's a perfect YouTuber name.
PZ pie. I think a perfect ingredient for a pie, not to be eaten, but to be smashed into the face of a foe or a friend, or not sure yet, I guess. This right here, slamming into someone's face, it'd be so funny.
Jelly.
Jello and jelly.
Oh,
That's gross.
Goodness.
Oh my
Sounded like
gosh.
PZ. Okay, that's good.
Perfect.
That's nasty.
Oh.
I'm gonna choose mustard.
Oh, goodness.
Topping the pie off is with whipped cream.
Oh yeah.
Now that's a pie.
I'm wearing a mask. It's fragile. You're trying to get me to do a face reveal, aren't you?
If you would like to take your face mask off, please help yourself.
But
Are you ready, PZ9?
send it.
3, 2, 1!
That's a pretty cool look. I like your new mask.
It stinks.
Daniel!
It's the mustard.
Oh.
I can taste it through this face mask.
Okay, maybe you take off the mask now and you can breathe better.
I mean, I think this is just what I'm gonna look like now.
What's wrong, mate?
Oh my gosh, you guys, my stomach really hurts.
What?
You know how I say that I only go once a week? I think today's is the day.
What'd you eat? What happened? What happened?
I don't know, just all of a sudden my stomach just started growling. Okay, wait, what did I eat today? I had some hot Cheetos, I had some Chipotle. The smoothie!
Was there milk in the smoothie?
Oh, I'm allergic to dairy products! I'm lactose intolerant! PZ9! You're trying to ruin me!
You did it on purpose.
You made me fall, hurt my head, you insulted me, but now you're trying to poison me! Food poison!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Wait, what's going on?
I think it's because all I'm breathing is mustard.
Spy ninja huddle.
Okay. We gotta decide quick here. I gotta go to the bathroom. I think he's really did food poison me.
I don't think we should let him stay the night. He was trying to make me sick or something.
Yeah, V, he let you fall on the ground?
Yeah.
And then he put milk in your smoothie?
Yeah.
I'm feeling like a bump on my head coming because of the fall.
They all seem like mistakes. Like he didn't know that you were allergic to milk. He didn't know that he was gonna hurt you.
Do you think we should let PZ9 stay another night here? What is he gonna do to me? Please comment down below. Thank you so much, Spy Ninjas.
Okay, you go to the bathroom. Shout out to all your notification ninjas is what she meant to say. Thanks for getting here so quickly. Okay, I guess we'll just do a kick bump, guys.
Yes.
Next video is on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed to me. It'll be up there. And we're gonna do a kick bump. Kick bump!